Meaning of debunk.
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 Debunk. The word debunk means to expose and discredit false or exaggerated claims, beliefs, or myths. It involves shedding light on the truth behind a certain idea or concept and revealing it to the public. The result of debunking is that people are made aware of the reality and can then make informed decisions based on facts rather than misconceptions or misinformation. Debunking is an important tool for critical thinking, as it helps to prevent the spread of false information and promotes a more accurate understanding of the world around us.